Bro, Roblox moderation is ran by hamsters.
Saying hi. Banned. Yet these scammers scam kids like it's a full-on job. And Roblox is like
Yes, great job.
like the hamsters they call mods spin the wheel to decide who's banned. Like one time I said this game is great. Then boom.
Your account has been suspended for 1 day for harassment text. This game is great.
Then some guy said F you guys, banned, no beep. So Roblox can't call this moderation, it's harassment.
Subscribe.